For today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make Oreos even better than they already are. So first, what you need to do is put Oreos in a bowl. I recommend at least 4, and for this example, I'm using 5. What you next have to do is pour some milk into the bowl with Oreos. I recommend about 4 milliliters for each Oreos, so for 5 Oreos that's 20 milliliters. So here it goes in. Then what you're going to need is a spoon, and with the spoon you mash the Oreos into small pieces, and you get them mixed with the milk. And then after doing this long enough, the Oreos and the milk will eventually combine into one entity. So just got to do this a bit more. Okay, the pieces aren't quite small enough yet, but they will be. So it seems that now I have finally mashed all of the lumpy bits away, so I have now accomplished my goal and fully combined Oreos and milk. I feel that this is a pretty cool, fun alternative to just dunking solid Oreos into milk and then eating them. So, am I the only one who's doing this?